Tropical storm Elsa escalated into the first hurricane of the 2021 Atlantic storm season on Friday when it hit the eastern Caribbean, where authorities closed schools, businesses and airports in flash floods and landslides. Heavy rains and winds hit Barbados first as the Category 1 storm headed for islands including St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which are still struggling to recover from recent volcanic eruptions. The Barbados Meteorological Service reported continued winds of 75 miles per hour and gusts up to 90 miles per hour, and issued a hurricane warning for Barbados and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Power outages have been reported in parts of Barbados. According to the trajectory of this climatic phenomenon, its route will hit Miami in the first days of next week. Until then,